Hi, this is Prashant with Mojo Kingdom, and today we are counting down our picks for the top 10 anime of 2021. For this list, we will be looking at the anime that were released in this season and breaking down the best of the bunch. Did we miss your favorite? Well, let us know in the comments. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and let us know which anime list you want next.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
On number 10, we have Mushoku Tensei Jobless Reincarnation. The new year gave us no shortage of new isekai for us to wade through. Out of the whole set, this one certainly seems like it has the most potential, while it got the standard fare of some loser being reborn into a fancy world. The visual effects are shockingly top tier. Rudeus awakens in another world, starting life again as a baby born to two loving parents. Preserving his memories and knowledge from his past life, Rudeus quickly adapts to his new environment. With the mind of a grown adult, he starts to display magical talent that exceeds all expectation. As Rudeus' second chance at life begins, he tries to make the most of his new opportunities while conquering his traumatic past. As perhaps one day he may find the one thing he couldn't find in his old world, that was love. On number 9, we have The Quintessential Quintuplets Season 2. We have finally been given the second installment of the rom-com featuring 5 diverse yet equally enticing sisters. As expected, there's plenty more to be found here with Futaro slowly growing closer to each of the Nakano sisters, further pushing the question of just who the heck is going to be the last girl standing when it comes to the winning his heart, and things are likely to get messy. If you haven't watched season 1, I would strongly suggest you to watch it. You won't regret.
初めてなんだ。誰かに告白されたのは。どう話せばいいかわからなかった。
一緒のバイトになったのにまだ何も伝えてない。だから私のことをもっと知ってほしい。私がどれだけ風太郎を好きなのかちゃんと知ってほしいの。
この国に来るのに6日もかかりましたし。
混乱から浅見までって結構遠いんだから。
汽車ではなく走ってきたんです。
ちょっと待った！
A long time ago, the ancient saviors of humanity founded a village as their heaven, with their descendants said to assist humanity in times of extreme chaos. This village, Kunlun, is located just beside the infamous Last Dungeon, a place where monsters of unimaginable strength resides and which serves as the hunting ground of Kunlun residents. Despite being accustomed of defeating powerful enemies since childhood, Lord Belladonna regards himself as the weakest in his village in terms of magic, strength, and intelligence. Even so, to fulfill his desire of becoming a soldier, he goes to the kingdom of Azami to enroll in its military academy. However, as someone whose upbringing defies common sense, Lord Power might just prove to be the key to end the crisis of the kingdom.
現実と向き合いますか。
なんだよこの化け物は！
なんだ だか緊張してきちゃったな。
やべえ、ガン舐めてた。こんなやつも来るのかよ。やばい。
足りめえだ、海渡るっきゃね。そう、俺らはこれから全員で船を作る。
On number 7, we have Dr. Stone, Season 2. Dr. Stone was definitely one of the biggest winners back during the anime summer season of 2019. Naturally, after such a strong first season, the anime won itself a continuation. In Season 2 of Dr. Stone, Tsukasa's army getting even closer of their doorsteps. It's up to Senku and his allies to push the invading forces back. This new season is expected to have more amazing feats of science as well as renewing the theme of knowledge is power versus survival of the fittest that rages between Senku and Tsukasa.
May this sacred flame come forth and cleanse everything that it touches! Phoenix Blade! Now!
On 6th place, we have the Rising of the Shield Hero, Season 2. The Rising of the Shield Hero confirmed that it will be returning not only for the second season but the third as well. The plot follows Naofumi, who is described to be an easygoing Japanese man who is summoned to the parallel world along with the 3 other men from the same world. His purpose over there is to fight interdimensional monsters called waves and to become the world's legendary hero. After Season 1's huge success, Season 2 will introduce more new characters as Naofumi and his friends are getting new companions. They are also encountering a new enemy. Learn more about the huge turtle carrying a town on its back in Season 2 and how the Shield Hero and his team will be fighting along their journey. Before moving ahead, please make sure to give us a like as it helps our channel to grow, and make sure to subscribe our channel if you haven't.
Foolish sinner, I sentence you to cast your screams onto the heavens you worship! The jaws of the dragon born from my flesh shall swallow you, and you'll become an offering to the gods as you howl in pain! Legendary shield skill blood sacrifice!
This can't be!
Honda, who finds herself entangled with the mysterious Shoma family. Certain members of the Shoma families are inflicted with a curse that turns them into an animal of zodiac when hugged by someone of the opposite sex. All of them followed the will of the mysterious family head Akito. The show dives deep into the emotional turmoil and trauma of all the characters and really feels like an anime embodiment of the terrifying ordeal of being known meme. Season 2 introduced new characters like Kurino, the rooster of the zodiac, and the student council member Machi and Kakeru Manabe.
Suzuki いるまよ。ここは魔界だ。
魔界？
悪魔の世界だ。
One day, Iruma's wife takes a surprising turn when her parents forced to go and live in the demon world with his new guardian. Although his new granddad
我が輩の孫にな。
わざわざ人間の子を孫になど。
おい、なんかいい匂いしねえか。
何があっても呪いを解く。俺とお前の約束だ。
The second flagship animated
ことがあったんだ。この無益な戦いに幕を引きましょう。
呪いから解放し反則の死を与えてやろうというのだ。
お前らが一緒にいると思うだけで力が湧いてくる。
ついにこの時が来た。
さあ A 組、今日こそ白黒つけようか。
この場のみんなが越えるべき壁です。
授業だろうが関係ねえんだよ。やるぞ A 組。
夢を形にするために、ヒーローになるために。僕らが憧れるヒーローに。
If you like our videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This will help us to grow our channel. Make sure to follow our updates on Instagram. The link will be provided in the description. Thank you so much for the watching. Mojo Kingdom.